Do you want clients that are ready to invest in your services? I understand you, we all want that. The fact is that a lot of new and existing coaches are missing out on this. They're missing out the power of branding, content, and messaging. They all need to be aligned with your client if you're trying to attract high-paying clients. After working with coaches since 2022 and hitting $10,000 a month in December within my own coaching business, and also having successfully sold offers that ranging from $15 to $2,000, I have developed a simple process. A process that gets you high ticket premium clients through Facebook, because selling low cost offers isn't good for anyone, definitely not for your clients. They want a true transformation and you want a profitable online business. A secret for you: enrolling $2,000 clients is way more easier than enrolling $50 clients. Welcome to my channel. My name is Berk and I help coaches attract pre-sold clients without using paid ads. So before I start with this training, I want to give a disclaimer. My method only works if you believe it will work. Shall we get started? Let's dive in. The first step when it comes to attracting high-paying clients through Facebook is to have a clear message. People will not follow you, people will not engage or reach out to you or even ask about your product if they don't know what you're doing and how you can help them. Being super creative with your brand message and content is not the best solution here. That's the sad reality. One of the easiest and simplest way to identify your brand message but still add your own swing to it as it follows is by following this 3-step process. The first step is to identify the problem your ideal client has. After that, the second step is to identify the process you implement to help them, and step 3 is to identify the promise you make with your coaching program. And to give an example to have better understanding with this, I will show you what I do and what is this 3 steps process looks like for me. Step 1 is that I help existing and aspiring coaches that are looking to grow an online presence. That is like the problem that my ideal client has. They don't know how to grow their personal brand so they can attract clients. The step 2 is the process I use to help them with that is my ACR selling system. That is the client getting system. ACR means attention, content, conversion, closing, results. You know, that is the system we use inside our program. And step 3 is the promise I give to them. The promise is to grow their coaching business to at least $10,000 a month in the next 90 days or less. So the whole branding message looks like this: helping coaches make client acquisition easy through personal branding so they can grow their business to $10,000 a month in the next 90 days. That is how it looks like for me. Now it's your turn. I want you to use this training as a guideline. Whenever you see something, whenever you learn something, go implement this. I always said this in my videos that watching my trainings won't help you. You need to take action. So you want to pause the video here, do the steps, come back, and let's go to the next one. Step 2 is speaking directly to your ideal client. In my paid program, the Sales Fast Track program, I have like many copywriting tips and tricks, because honestly, this is where a lot of coaches go wrong when building their personal brand, and they go wrong with this when creating content. Their words don't speak to their ideal client and they lost them in the very first sentence of their posts. There are 2 very important aspects that are often missing. The first aspect is you want to write your content exactly as you would say it loud, as if you're having a conversation with a friend, for example. It should be super easy to understand right away. No rereading sentences, no thinking. Make sure your content is super easy to consume. A tip I give to my clients is that write your content as you're speaking to 7-year-old. And the second aspect is use the exact words your ideal client is using. I mean the exact words. Wonder why I so effortlessly attract and enroll clients? This is a big part of what I do. I have conversations with ideal clients all the time. on Messenger, in the comments under my posts, on sales calls, and I absorb what they're using. I absorb everything they're telling me. In my content, I just use their words, not mine. I make sure my ideal clients think, whoa, he's thinking about me when reading my post. And that is the reason why I get barely any objections in my sales calls, is because I handle them all through my content. Again, a mini exercise I can give you. I want you to think about it for a minute. Like, close your eyes and imagine that you're sitting on a sofa with your best friend. Now tell your friend about the transformation you can create for your clients. Talk about their fears, talk about how strong these fears are, talk about the strategy, the method they will use to tackle these fears, talk about the energy they will get, talk about the dreams they will be able to achieve. Now you can feel the passion in that conversation. Am I right? This is how you want to write your post. You want to write them with the exact same energy, with the exact same passion, and with the exact words as you're speaking to a friend. Then step number 3 would be to get in front of your audience. You should be growing your audience every single day. If you aren't, something is wrong with your business. We don't want to chase. We want to get in front of our ideal client. You need to be seen by people who want to invest in your program. There are many ways to get in front of your ideal client, but the first step is to investigate where they are already. You can find places where your ideal clients gather. And these are not the Facebook groups that you can find right away by searching for keywords. It's really getting to know your ideal client better than they know themselves and finding these like hidden spots, hidden communities. To get in front of them, Facebook is by far the best place to do this. You can do so by the blogs they read, Facebook groups they are members of, podcasts they listen, influencers they follow, books they read, tools they use, and etc. You want to get in front of your ideal client and think outside of the box. This way you will find those hidden spots where they hang on. Of course, I can't tell you like the places where your ideal clients hang, because they are your clients and they're unique in some ways. So it is your task to find those places. After you're done with these 3 steps, we move on to the next one, which is step 4, talk about your program. There is nothing more appealing than telling people how you can help them so they can take action. Tell us about your product and be proud of what you can offer. You can even share details of what is included for your program. I wouldn't go too much into specificities like the amount of calls you have and so on. You just want to give more details about your program so people know what they will join. You can ask yourself this question, like, what will they be implementing and what wins they will get because of my program? Ask yourself this question and then you can create posts around them, even talk about them in your stories. So this is like the vehicle you can use to get high paying clients through Facebook, but also step 5 is one of the most important one. You want to level up. This is perhaps, as I told you, the most important step. Yesterday I saw an interview and the main lesson I have learned about business in this interview was get your fucking ass up and work. It seems like nobody wants to work these days. The reason I mention this is because there are many people who say that they want to make millions, they want to become 6-figure earners in their coaching business, or just even make like 5 to 10k a month. But all this requires leveling up. When you level up, when you do the work, when you invest in help, you attract clients that are committed, powerful, and that pay in full. Of course, this little document doesn't go through every single strategy that has made it happen for my clients and me. My programs are very hands-on too. The reason why we get the best results in the industry, if you are new or existing coach and you want to learn more and follow a proven path towards getting high premium clients for your coaching business, there are 2 options for you after you watch this video. Option number 1, you are ready to start your online educational/coaching business. You build your brand with us for your coaching business, you create an amazing high ticket offer with our help, you will implement our proven marketing and sales systems. This is the only program you need to get consistent high paying clients. That's option number one. If you're looking to get started, what you can do is you can go to the description and book a call with me personally if this appears to you. If not, if the second option works for you, the second option is if you already have business and you're at $1,000 to $5,000 a month already and you want to scale to the next level, aka $10,000 a month and beyond. If you need more scalable offer, if you need more clients and higher prices, this option is for you. If you're ready to implement systems and hiring for further scaling, then option 2 is for you too. And also if you're ready to work on your business instead in the business, second option is for you. And again, the thing that you want to do is you want to click the first link in the description and book a call with me personally. And finally, you are very welcome to connect with me. I'm always here to service you with valuable content on my platforms. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button if you don't want to miss any future trainings. You can also connect with me personally again on Instagram or Facebook. On Facebook you can search for Berkant Mustafa, the same name as my YouTube channel. On Instagram we're at Business GMP. I would love to connect with you. I really hope this training was helpful for you and I hope you will take action from it. See you in the next one.